If you've been wondering where I've been for the past several months, a lot has changed around here. The last time I was consistently posting on YouTube was back in around September or October when we were just getting ready to pour foundation for our new home. And that happened in November of 25, and now here we are in May of 26 and finally moved in. And honestly, it still doesn't quite feel real. There's still a few things left to finish, a few random tasks that have to get done, so we're almost to the finish line, but at least we're in. So for those of you who are newer here, you probably didn't even realize I was gone, which is the beauty of YouTube because videos can still be helpful for those who didn't even realize I was missing. But for those of you who have been around for a while, I wanted to sit down today and just share a little life update because this past season of life has been one of the biggest and most emotional seasons we've ever walked through. I tell my husband all the time that building a house is harder than it was becoming a new mom. So this house has truly been a dream in the making. Even before we got married, I knew I wanted to build a home on this property because we live on the property that I grew up on. It was once my great-grandparents' property. And so growing up on this property, I knew that one day I wanted to build a home for me and my family. And now the fact that it's real is hard to even put into words. But one thing I've really reflected on through this process is that hard work truly does pay off. I started Audrey's Little Farm back in 2018, and at the time, I could have never imagined what it would eventually grow into. My only hope was that I could just make enough money to one day stay at home with my future children. And the fact that it has grown into such a thriving business is truly incredible. And it's because of you. It's because of you watching videos, reading blog posts, supporting my business by buying courses and guides, following along. It is a dream that became possible for our family. And so I'm incredibly grateful. Thank you so much for watching and following along. For those of you who may not know, we have lived in a little tiny mobile home since we got married. It's the house that I grew up in. And while I'm so grateful for that home because it gave us a place to start, over the years it became harder and harder to function in such a tiny space, especially with our 4-year-old son, Cooper. And as he started getting bigger, you just accumulate more things. He wanted space to play, and we just didn't have the space. And obviously we were outside most of the day, each day it seemed like, but inside the home, it just was not functional. Because once you start gardening, preserving food, raising chickens, collecting eggs, trying to store the harvest, it really becomes difficult if you don't have the room to do so. And so in that house, we had basically no storage, no pantry, a very tiny kitchen, very limited working space to do anything. And while it was challenging, I'm so grateful that that is where we started because it has given me such a deep appreciation for this home. And it also helped me design this house in a way that was very intentional and very practical. I knew what it felt like to live without enough storage. I knew what it felt like to try and cook in a tiny kitchen with no space. And I knew what it was like to constantly struggle to find room for everything. I hated the fact that I had to basically unload a cabinet just to put something away or to grab my mixing bowl. And we also had a swamp cooler. And so the seasonings would get wet and sticky, and I was constantly having to buy new salt and new seasonings and just the little things that you don't think about until you're in that situation. And so being in this new home is just incredible. And another huge reason YouTube got pushed to the back burner these past not few months, 7 months, I think, is because while construction was happening, there was hammering, nail guns, equipment, trucks. There wasn't a quiet day. And during the rare quiet moments, Cooper was usually napping. And because our house was so small, I couldn't film videos in the house because I was trying to be quiet. I had nowhere to sneak off to. And so now I'm actually in my office. Cooper is napping and I'm able to film a video. And so I am ready to dive back in and start YouTube again. I'm excited that I can share in an office. I, of course, always want to share videos out in the garden, in the chicken coop, doing all the DIY farm projects, etc. But sometimes it's fun to just sit down and talk and share some tips. And so I love that I finally have an office space to do that. And so YouTube, unfortunately, was put on the back burner, but it was a pause that was only for a season. And now for the first time ever, I am in a true office space, and I'm a little bit blown away that I'm actually getting to record in a space. And so Gardening will always be the heart of Audrey's little farm, along with chicken keeping and preserving and all the little farm projects. But with that being said, I want to share about this new season of life because I feel like it's opening the door to just another part of this little farm lifestyle. I would love to bring you along through this farmhouse journey and share some of the practical sides of building a home around gardening and homesteading and building that practical home, or at least giving you inspiration, even if you never plan to build. I'll be able to share more cooking videos because I finally have a kitchen big enough to prep food in front of a camera. Before, it was pretty awkward. That's why I really didn't post much cooking or canning videos in the past. And so I would love to share the cooking videos on what we grow, the canning and preservation videos, home organization, farmhouse projects, all the things that I've learned through construction, and all the little systems and practical things that help support this little farm lifestyle. Because at the end of the day, gardening isn't just about growing the plants. It really becomes a way of life. You want to cook what you grow, you want to preserve the extras, and it's just a fun, huge process that just all ties together. And so I just want to say thank you again if you have followed along through all these years. You have supported me in more ways than you know, and I'm just so thankful. This community has truly changed our lives, and honestly, I feel like we're stepping into such an exciting new season here on Audrey's Little Farm. So if you've been here for years, thank you again. If you're new here, welcome, and I am just so glad you're all here. And so I'd love to know in the comments what kind of videos you would enjoy seeing in this next season, because I am really excited to start creating again. Of course, you can let me know if there's a certain gardening or chicken keeping or homesteading related video you'd like to see. But if there's anything in this little farmhouse series you'd like to see, such as, how to plan out your new home, the best things I've loved in our new home, the things I would do differently, my favorite house finds, whatever it might be, I would love to know in the comments, and I will talk to you all again soon. Bye.